Welcome to 3006 Village Creek Drive. This neat 2-bedroom, 2 full bath downstairs condo unit with a screen back porch and front balconies off the bedrooms. It's located in the St. Andrews area of Columbia, convenient to I-20 and I-26, Harbison shopping, and just a quick commute to downtown Columbia as well. So we're outside the unit. You can see from the outside you had a common area entrance. So you come off of the parking area that is above there, as you can see, and step down into this area. And then as you approach, you can see the 2 balconies, or the one connected balcony that is off of the front of the 2 bedrooms. And then you have the covered walkway to the front door. So we'll take a look inside. So you step into the foyer here, pardon me, and once inside the unit, you can see you have living space to your left, and then the kitchen is right in front of you here. So it's a galley style kitchen. Off to the right, before we get there, of course, you do have a coat closet, and then you can see the kitchen itself is a nice size. You have wood cabinets and also a pantry on the right here. And your included appliances are smooth top electric stove. You have a countertop microwave, dishwasher, and refrigerator. You can see it passes into, or it flows into, the dining area, and you also have a pass-through window to the living room as well. So you have laminate hardwood flooring in the dining room. Nice size window out towards the back. And then it connects to the living room here. So you have a spacious living room, sort of doubles if you need more additional space off the kitchen here as well. You have a ceiling fan and wood burning fireplace back there with the mantle above. And you can see the bedrooms and everything back that way. You also do have a sliding glass door and window out to the screened porch balcony off the back. But you can see it has that full wall of screening, but it backs out to a wooded area back here, which is very nice. And then you also have on this end a storage unit, a storage closet, with just a bit of space for some exterior storage. Ceiling fan out there as well. And then back inside, you have the laminate hardwood flooring again, picking up in the hallway here, and that continues on down this way. And you can see off of the hall, you have a full bathroom, a single vanity, and shower and tub. And then on this side, you have your laundry closet. Let's see if we can get a light on in there for you. So it included washer and dryer in the unit at the time of this video. Do confirm with the leasing office that those will still be available at the time of rental. Linen closet here at the back end of the hallway, and then you have your 2 bedrooms. So the secondary bedroom is here, and you can see that sliding glass door just leads you out back to that patio or covered balcony space that you had off the front. Closets on the opposite wall behind 2 bifold doors. And then last but not least, you have your primary suite. So you have a ceiling fan in here, and that same setup with the sliding glass door out to that front balcony area. It's a nice sized room. And then on this side, you have your closet, which is a nice size walk-in. And then also a full bathroom here with a single vanity and a shower and tub. And then you have the medicine cabinet on that side as well. So that completes our tour of this home, 3006 Village Creek Drive in St. Andrews area of Columbia. You can find more information online at turnerproperties.com.